So we are going to evaluate their inverse function. So we're going to find the value. As you can see, we were given the value of x. So there are two ways you can do it. I'm going to show you the two methods. The first, we can find the inverse function of f of x, and then the result we get, we substitute the value in that new function. So let's first find the inverse. Well, in a previous video we found the inverse, but just in case you did not see the previous video, I'll start from the top. So to find the inverse of f of x, we let f of x equal y, and so we say y equal 2x minus 5. Interchange x and y, we switch it around. So x equal 2y minus 5. And then we solve for y, so we first get rid of the minus 5, so it's x plus 5 equals 2y. And then we divide by 2, x plus 5 divided by 2 equals y. As you can see, we did the opposite operation. So if it's minus, when it comes over the equal sign, it's plus. When you're multiplying, when you come over the equal sign, you divide. So therefore, f inverse of x is equal to x plus 5 over 2. But if we want to find f inverse of 3, we simply do this. We substitute the value of x in the formula. So if x plus 5 over 2, where x is, we put the value 3 plus 5 over 2, and that gives us 4. 5 plus 3 is 8, so we'll have 8 over 2, and of course when you simplify it, the answer is 4. That's one way of doing it. The other way is you do the first two steps. When we let f of x be y, and then we interchange x and y, then we can substitute the value of 3 in x. So here we could say 3 is equal to 2y minus 5, and then we carry over the 5, so we have 3 plus 5 equals 2y, and then we divide by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8, we're going to divide it by 2 equals y, and so 4 equals y. Therefore, f inverse of 3 is equal to 4. Same answer. You choose which method is better for you. So now we're going to do the one for the g of x function. So I already did the first two steps when I let g of x be y, and then I interchange x and y. Where you see y, you put x, and where you see x, you put y. So we're going to solve. So we're going to say solve for y, so we're going to say x minus 3 equals y squared. And then we're going to say square root of x minus 3 is equal to y. Therefore, g inverse of x is equal to square root of x minus 3. Now, we want to find the value of -2. So I will just substitute it in the formula. So we have -2, where you see x, in the formula, we put the -2. So this is equal to square root